Hola, soy Juan Nieto. If you want to have the option of use hundreds of fully customizable and animated modern titles on videos you edit on your iPad, download for free DaVinci Resolve on the App Store. 3 steps. Step 1. Download the zip file. Link on the description. One click to unzip. Open the folder. Files for iPad. Toco Graphics. Select the Fuses folder and move it to On My iPad, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion. Step 2. Move these 2 files to On My iPad, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, Templates. And step 3. Open the PDF. Click here to download a modern font pack. Click to unzip. Open the folder. Select all the folders and move to On My iPad, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, Fonts. And that's all. In DaVinci Resolve, in the Effects panel, Titles tab, you will find an immense number of modifiable templates that will make your videos look much more expansive. Just drag them to the timeline. Open the inspector. Edit Text tab. You can also change the colors. Subscribe to learn more about filmmaking. See you!